Hey students, in this video we will talk about the past perfect simple, which is the past of the past. Yes. So, cuando yo llegué, tú ya te habías ido. When I arrived, you had already gone. So, if we have a timeline here, and here it is when I arrived. Now, in this space of time, you had already gone. Now, as you can see, this is the past, and I'm talking about something that happened before the past. So this is the past of the past. Okay, so what we're going to do right now is we're going to see the structure, which by the way, it is so simple. You have a subject, and then you have to say had, and the past participle of a verb, regular, irregular. Now that's the positive. Now, talking about the negative, it is so simple. Had, not, or hadn't, and the past participle of the verb. And if I want to ask a question, so easy. Okay. And if you want to get some extra information, as always, you have to write here what, where, when, etc. As I have already told you, this is a timeline. And I found a watch I liked. But before that happened a lot of things. Just before that, I had visited El Corte Inglés. I couldn't find anything I liked. So before I found a watch I liked, I had visited Carrefour. And once again, okay, I didn't like any of the models, and then I went to Alcampo. Oh, no way. So you know what? I finally found my perfect watch in Bazar Choni, which is exceptional, amazing one, okay, for my mother. So when are we going to use the past perfect simple? So we use it for actions and situations that started or happened before another moment in the past. I had visited 3 shops before I found a watch I liked. Past perfect continuous. Yo te había estado esperando durante 2 horas cuando me marché. I had been waiting for you 2 hours when I left. I was so tired of waiting for you, so Now this is the structure you have to follow. You have a subject and then had been. And in the end, you have to write a verb ending in ing. I had been waiting, I had been sleeping, I had been studying, yo había estado estudiando. Now, the negative form, it is, so easy to say. I had not been or hadn't been, and exactly the same with ing. And talking about question, had you been studying all night when I called you, for example? So this is the timeline again, and I found a present for my mother, this amazing watch. But before that, I have to tell you that during this extended time, I had been looking for hours. I had gone to Carrefour, I had gone to Alcampo, I had been to many other shops, walking, tired, exhausted, and finally, yep, I found it, okay, the perfect watch for my mother. I think she's gonna like it a lot. What do you think? So, We use the past perfect continuous to emphasize the continuing progress of actions and situations that started or happened before another moment in the past. I had been looking for hours before I found a present for Mum. So as you can see, the main difference is that I'm telling you that for some time, for hours, for days, for years, I did something before the main action here. So I found a present for my mum, but before that, I had been looking for hours to watch. You got it?